We'll guide you through how to use Mailchimp for creating and sending newsletters. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Campaigns tab located on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Campaign button and select Email from the options. You'll then be prompted to give your campaign a name, something memorable that relates to your newsletter's content. After that, you'll be taken to the Campaign Builder, where you'll see several sections to fill in. Start by choosing your recipients. Click on Add Recipients and select the audience you want to send your newsletter to. You can choose the entire audience or a specific segment if you prefer. Next, you'll need to add your from name and email address to let your subscribers know who the email is coming from. Then, create an engaging subject line and preview text to entice your audience to open your email. The next step is to design your email. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates, so choose one that fits your brand's style or start from scratch if you're feeling creative. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add text blocks, images, and other content. Make sure to include a call to action to encourage reader engagement. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Save and Close. Before sending, it's a good idea to preview your email and send a test to yourself to check for any errors. When you're ready, click Schedule to send it at a later time, or send to dispatch it immediately. Don't forget to review Mailchimp's analytics after sending to see how your newsletter performed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.